5 o'clock. It is time now for What a Magician with PJ Wiggins. The Evening Report. Thursday, July 25th, 2013. Good evening, everybody. On this Thursday evening, our current conditions at 5 o'clock in Norton, Massachusetts. We got a temperature of chilly 62 degrees with a humidity of 90%, wind speed off about 7 miles per hour, barometer 3.06 inches, 2.59 degrees, and a visibility 10 miles, and it's cloudy skies with a couple of little rain speckles of showers there. Alright, let's take a look at our radar, and it shows a couple of little downpours in the greater Boston points northwest and south, stretching from the 95 corridor from Boston down to the Providence into eastern Connecticut, and stretching through the south shore of Brockton into Plymouth, and stretching the north into the northeastern Massachusetts, stretching the southern New Hampshire and off the Maine coastline here. And it stretches south all the way down and through central Atlantic along, stretching out the Jersey, Delaware, Maryland coast, stretching off the Carolina coast, and a couple of showers off the Georgia and Florida coast.
Third set of warrant returns unsealed today, and most shocking in it, photos.
And a couple of little bob of showers and storms in western North Carolina, stretching out northern Georgia.
He has a weapon. The documents unsealed today also showing.
And a couple of little rain showers and storms. A popcorn cluster of showers, storms in Minnesota, stretching in northern Wisconsin and UP, Michigan, up in northern Ontario, stretching in on the southern Manitoba, stretching for central Saskatchewan, stretching to eastern northeastern Alberta, and a couple of bob showers and storms in northeastern British Columbia, stretching in western Alberta, west central Alberta, and the showers and storms continue in the southeastern South Dakota, stretching for eastern Nebraska, stretching through western Missouri near Kansas State, stretching to southwestern Iowa, stretching in eastern Kansas, stretching to central and northern Kansas, stretching to southwestern Nebraska, stretching to eastern Colorado, and the popcorn cluster showers and thunderstorms around the Four Corners region of Utah, Colorado, Arizona, New Mexico, stretching down to northern Mexico, and stretching down to southern Nevada, stretching to eastern California. Alrighty, take a look at our satellite loop, and it shows
the men inside the Hernandez North Attleboro house saying that he was covering his face in the kitchen, realizing
shows a couple of big blob of cloudiness gathered in eastern Canada, stretching of almost all of New England, stretching for the New York State, eastern New Jersey, stretching for the Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia coast of the Atlantic seaboard, stretching for central Florida and in the central Gulf of Mexico. And another batch of cloudiness in northern Texas, stretching eastern central Oklahoma, stretching into Arkansas down to southern Missouri and into northern Louisiana, stretching into Kansas, western Missouri, stretching through Nebraska, through Iowa, down to through Wisconsin and southern Minnesota, and a couple of blob of showers in central Canada from Saskatchewan, stretching to Manitoba and northern Ontario, and a couple of batch of showers in northern Saskatchewan, and a couple of batch of showers in northern British Columbia. And the blob of cloudiness continuing in north Metro and in the Four Corners region, Utah, Colorado, New Mexico, Arizona, stretching through southern Nevada, cloudiness stretches for eastern California, and the cloudiness stretches for southern Wyoming, stretching western Wyoming, and through Idaho, eastern Oregon. Alright, ladies and Dorian here. Ladies and Dorian, just hot off the presses. Movement tropical storm movement about 18 miles per hour at 290 degrees. Wind speed 60 miles per hour. Wind gust to 70 miles per hour. Pressure 999 millibars. And it will stay a tropical storm throughout its run.
Gary Sampson will get another chance to avoid the death penalty. The Abington native was convicted of killing 3.
And even as a strong tropical depression here.
Appeals upheld an earlier ruling.
And we're going to track the GFS model.
That ruling came after the judge learned a juror withheld information on her question.
Okay.
And will still be subject to the death penalty if the new jury votes for it.
There are new developments tonight in the brutal murder of a South Boston woman. News Center 5 has learned that Amy Lord was viciously beaten before.
Let's follow this.
To withdraw money from Johnson. Let's get to News Center 5's Pam Cross. She's live in the city with details tonight, Pam.
You know, the suspect came to court, but he was not arraigned. His attorney said he was distraught. His psychiatrist said the suspect was suicidal, threatening to kill himself.
Tuesday, it is going to go
for alleged assault
through the Dominican Republic and into Haiti, and it is going to weaken into a low-pressure system of big rainstorm
On Gate Street in South Boston.
in
He's charged with stabbing
Haiti and the Dominican Republic here. So that is my latest trap. As Dorian's gonna poop out.
bench in a cell.
Invest 99L. Movement 15 miles per hour. 325 degrees. Wind speed 25 miles per hour. Wind gust not available. This is the latest on Flossy here. Movement 18 miles per hour. 270 degrees. Wind speed 45 miles per hour. Wind gust is 60 miles per hour. Pressure 1,002 millibars. And it's gonna stretch to the west and it's gonna go for the Hawaiian Islands there. Alright. We are under a flood warning here. A flash flood warning in effect tonight at 10 p.m. to noontime tomorrow. Flash flood watch in effect from 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening throughout the Friday morning. The National Weather Service in Taunton has issued a flash flood watch for Rhode Island and Metro Boston and points south and east. From 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening through Friday morning. Bands of rain will continue this evening, then become moderate to heavy across some portions of the watch area late tonight into early Friday. Urbanized areas with poor drainage and quick responding streams may experience some flash flooding should the band set up and remain over the region of a long period of time. It has its weather outlook day 1 today and tonight. Heavy rain with localized flooding is possible tonight across Rhode Island and eastern Massachusetts, especially Cape Cod and Nantucket. And days 2 through 7, Friday for Wednesday, heavy rain and localized flooding is possible Friday across Rhode Island and eastern Massachusetts, especially Cape Cod and Nantucket. Alright, 7-day okay, on and on forecast. Here it goes like this. For late afternoon, scattered showers and thunderstorms clouded with a high near 68 degrees. Northeast wind about 8 miles per hour, chance of precipitation 30%. New rainfall amounts of less than a 10th of an inch, except high amounts possible in thunderstorms. Tonight, a chance of rain and thunderstorms, then rain after 7 p.m., patchy fog after 10 p.m. Low around 62 degrees, northeast wind about 11 miles per hour, chance of precipitation 100%. New rainfall amounts between a 1/2 and 3/4 inch possible. So if you're going to the Red Sox game with a Tampa Bay Rays tonight at 7:05, bring some rain gear with you because you never know, it may rain. And it may have a little delay for the Red Sox and the Tampa Bay Rays. For Friday, rain likely with thunderstorms also possible after 4 p.m. Patchy fog before 9 a.m. Otherwise, cloudy skies with a high near 74 degrees. North wind about 11 to 14 miles per hour with gusts as high as 26 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 60%. No rainfall amounts between a 1/4 and 1/2 inch possible. For Friday night, a slight chance of rain and thunderstorms before 10 p.m. Patchy fog between 9 p.m. and 11 p.m. Then patchy fog after 2 a.m. Otherwise, mostly cloudy skies with a low and 63 degrees. West wind about 6 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 20%. For Saturday, patchy fog before 8 a.m. Otherwise, mostly sunny skies, a high near 87 degrees. South wind about 5 to 10 miles per hour. Saturday night, a chance of showers, blowing after 3 a.m. Patchy fog after 11 p.m. Otherwise, mostly cloudy skies with a low and 68 degrees. Chance of precipitation 30%. Sunday, a chance of showers with thunderstorms also possible after 2 p.m. Patchy fog before 11 a.m. Otherwise, mostly cloudy skies with a high near 84 degrees. Chance of precipitation 50%. For Sunday night, a chance of showers and thunderstorms, mostly cloudy skies with a low and 69 degrees. Chance of precipitation 40%. Monday, a chance of showers and thunderstorms, parts of sunny skies, high near 86 degrees. Chance of precipitation 40%. For Monday night, part of skies low on 66 degrees, and Tuesday, sunny skies, high near 86 degrees. Tuesday night, part of skies low on 66 degrees. Wednesday, part of sunny skies, high near 86 degrees. Wednesday night, most of the skies low on 68 degrees, and Thursday, part of sunny skies, high near 87 degrees. Peter's weather phase of the day. Good evening now. Showery night and tap and a rainy day for tomorrow. This is PJ Wiz. Hope you have a good evening with a good positive attitude. Stay dry.